Welcome to a short video on how to log a replacement session using the TrackPrac app. If you need to log a replacement session on your TrackPrac app, please follow the simple steps in this video. The most common reason for logging a replacement session is that you forgot to add any skills, objectives, or activities. All you have to do to start a replacement session is sign into the app and click Start a New Session. Most likely you will not be at your clinical location, so you will have to select No Specified Location from the Location dropdown. Then select your instructor's name and click Save. This will start the clock. If you need to log clinical time, make sure to let the session run for the appropriate amount of time. Then add your skills and/or objectives to the session before you try to submit. Also, add the information in notes about the replacement session. So in the notes box, please add the words, "This is a replacement session." Then include the date of your clinical that you're replacing and include the location of the clinical and click Save. You should also communicate with your instructor and let them know you are submitting a replacement session for them to evaluate or validate on their dashboard. Make sure after the correct amount of time has elapsed, you click Save and End Session. If the End Session button is grayed out, then you need to add a skill or objective in order to end the session. If you have any questions, you can chat directly on our website using the hello icon or call the toll-free number.